Okay, so this is my second example about the topic sum and difference identities. It says, given cosine alpha equal to 3 over 5, where alpha is in the fourth quadrant. Find A, cosine quantity alpha minus 60, sine of the sum of the angles alpha and 30 degrees, and second of the difference of the angles alpha and 45 degrees. So, yung alpha natin ay nasa fourth quadrant. So, tama, positive si cosine alpha. Kasi sa fourth quadrant, ang positive lang ay second and cosine of that angle. Okay? Kailangan makuha muna natin si sine kasi yung cosine and sine of the sum and difference of identities ay involved ng cosine and sine functions. So, solve natin si sine. Solving sine alpha. Gamit yung ating Pythagorean identities. That is sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha is equal to 1. Given naman si cosine alpha, 3 over 5, ilipat muna natin to. So, we have sine squared alpha, 1 minus cosine squared alpha. Substitute sine squared alpha is equal to 1 minus 3 over 5 squared. Okay? So, we have sine squared alpha is equal to 1 minus 9 over 25. Okay? So, we have sine squared alpha is equal to 25 minus 9 over 25. Here, so we have sine squared alpha is equal to 16 over 25. Then, square it natin both sides. We have sine alpha is equal to 4 over 5. Anong gagamitin natin? Root na negative or root na positive? Gagamitin natin negative kasi si alpha nasa fourth quadrant. At si sine function of that angle na nasa fourth quadrant is always negative. Okay? Now, pwede na nating makuha yung letter A. Okay? Sa letter A, we have cosine alpha minus 60 degree sin cosine. So, cosine alpha cosine 60 degree plus sine alpha sine 60 degrees. Si 60 yung beta. Okay? Doon sa ating formula ng sum and difference identities. Cosine alpha is 3 over 5. Okay? And cosine 60 degrees is 1/2. Okay? Sine alpha is negative 4 over 5 and sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Okay? So, kailangan memorize ninyo yung ating special trigonometric function values of special angles. 3 over 10 here minus, wag na i-cancel, ano? Para same ang denominators nitong dalawang fractions. 4. Okay, so plus negative 4 square root of 3 over 10. Then, we have 3 minus 4 square root of 3 over 10. So, ito yung sagot natin para doon sa ating cosine of alpha minus 60. Okay? Kung natatandaan nyo pa, yung inverse function natin in finding the angle, ang gagawin lang natin is shift of cosine or shift of sine. Okay? Pwede natin kasing itong ma-check gamit yung ating calculator. Okay? Una lang gagawin natin, solve natin si alpha. Okay? Ito ha, so check sa calculator. So we have cosine alpha is equal to 3 over 5. Naturo sa inyo to ng grade 9. So, shift cosine para makuha natin yung value of the angle alpha. Ang ginagawa talaga doon, dinidivide both side by cos. So, we have cancel. Ito, may power na 1, itataas magiging negative. So, inverse function na siya. Okay? Yan. And then, kunin natin yung angle gamit yung calculator. Shift cosine to the negative 1, 3 divided by 5. Yan. So, ang angle alpha is equal to 53.1301. Kunin natin lahat. 53.13010235. Yan. So, ang nakuha natin, alpha is 53.13010235. So, nasa fourth quadrant yung angle na yan. So, ito yung reference angle natin. Okay? So, ito yon. Ito yung reference angle natin yung nakuha. Ito talagang kailangan natin. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan nating alpha. Nakuha natin reference angle. Alpha prime yon. Okay? Theta prime, yung ating previous lesson. Okay? So, paano natin makukuha yung alpha na nasa fourth quadrant? So, that is 360 minus this angle. So, we have 360 minus 53.13010235. So, 360 minus 53.13010235. So, 306.8698977. Okay, yun ang i-add natin dito. Okay, so cosine 306 isusubtract pala 8698977 minus 60 degree. So pag kinuha natin ng cosine nito, so that is cosine of the difference 306.8698977 minus 60 quantity negative 0.39282. Negative 0.39282. So, yon. Okay? Now, pag kinuha natin to in decimal, that is 3 minus 4 square root of 3 divided by 10. So, ito yon. 3 minus 4 square root of 3 over 10. In decimal, that is the same. Negative 0.39282. Same. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin. Pero hindi ko na ina-advise na i-check nyo pa yung sagot ninyo. Pinakita ko lang that we got the same answer using scientific calculator and using sum and difference of trigonometric identities. So in my next video, sasagutan ko naman yung letter B and letter C. Thank you.